Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
I'm going to talk about an acquaintance who I met 3 months ago. His name is Tuan, and he's about the same age as me. The first time I met him was when we took part in the same volunteer activities at an orphanage in my city. Regarding his appearance, I would have to say that he looks quite like an average man. He's not too tall, not too short either, and he has a medium build. But what I remember the most about him is that he has the brightest, most infectious smile with dimples, which makes him handsome. When it comes to his personality, honestly, we only had a few brief conversations, so I don't know him really well. However, I suppose that he's a very friendly and extroverted individual. On top of that, he is a very creative person. He has the ability to compose and perform music on his own. The reason why I would like to get to know him better is that I always have fun when I'm with him, so I'm naturally curious about what's happening in his life right now.